Aqua Grand Plus RO Domestic Water Purifier, RO and LED UV and ORC copper and high TDS membrane and TDS control, best for high fluoride or chemical water 20 LPH 12-liter storage. Aqua Grand Plus, premium, brand Skyline special feature works smoothly on all types of water supplies, highest working on 3000 ppm and 20 LPH filtration capacity. Make your water 100% pure and healthy. Protect your family from waterborne diseases. Purify your tap water with Aqua RO before you drink. Large water storage tank capacity, easy service, elegant look, heavy body material, non-breakable, ABS++ high-class food-grade plastic body material, RO and UV and ORC copper and NC and B12 alkaline and HTM and TDS control. The most 12 stages filtration process, automatic shut-off, high TDS membrane which smoothly works up to 3000 ppm TDS, 100 GPD high quality 100% pure copper armature diaphragm booster pump, latest in Aqua RO technology to remove dissolved salts, particles, organics, minerals, tannins, solids, and other impurities from water. Aqua RO system manufacturers utilize reverse osmosis membranes as its core separation technology to block these impurities. Works smoothly on all types of water supplies, highest working on 3000 ppm and 20 LPH. Filtration capacity, m. See more product dimensions 30L x 18W x 40H cm material acrylonitrile butadiene styrene capacity 12 liters included components reverse osmosis water purifier country of origin, India product technology, RO and LED UV and patented ORC bio copper and zinc and alkaline and TDS control and high TDS membrane. RO is certified ACT to remove new age contaminants like lead, mercury and arsenic from the water while eliminating all viruses and bacteria. UV boiling ensures that every drop of water is as healthy and safe as water boiled for 20 minutes. Ultrafiltration, UF, imparts crystal clear clarity to drinking water in addition to making it safe from viral and bacterial contamination. Saves up to 60% water. Other ordinary water purifiers end up wasting 50 to 75% water, but Aqua water purifiers with superior technology purify water and regulate its taste to save up to 60%. Water. The active copper zinc booster cartridge infuses copper and zinc ions along with other essential minerals into the water. RO is certified to remove new age contaminants like lead, mercury and arsenic from the water while eliminating all viruses and bacteria. ABS++ food grade water 12 liters storage tank with water leveler. UV boiling ensures that every drop of water is as healthy and safe as water boiled for 20 minutes. Ultrafiltration, UF, imparts crystal clear clarity to drinking water in addition to making it safe from viral and bacterial contamination. 12 liters storage tank capacity with 20 liters per hour purification capacity. Taste adjuster, MTDS, provides sweet tasting water by adjustment of taste, depending upon the source of water. Warranty description, 1-year comprehensive domestic warranty on all parts excluding